This video just explains the half equations, or we derive the half equations from the products that we see from the reaction of Br minus salt with H2SO4. Now we're starting off with Br minus, whether it be sodium or potassium or any other type. We're going to start off with that, and what we produce is Br2, and we see that as our orange fumes. So that's the basis of our half equation. We need to balance the Brs, we need to balance the oxygens, the hydrogens, which isn't a problem, and then we need to balance the charge, so we put 2 electrons over here. So that's the half equation for the formation of bromine in this reaction. The other product formed is SO2. Now the SO2 is a product that we get from H2SO4. So what we need to do is now derive the half equation for this one. So as ever, balance the S's, which already are. So we need to add 2 H2Os. We need to add 2 H pluses. And we need to add 2 electrons. And now what we've got is 2 half equations. The top one, we are seeing a loss of electrons. So this is an oxidation step, or oxidation reaction. Whereas this one is gaining, so this is reduction. The overall equation is going to be a combination of these two reactions. So combine the two together. Now fortunately two electrons are produced in this oxidation step and 2 electrons are added in this reduction step, so we don't need to balance these equations overall. So we write the combined equation, which is, we'll start with the Brs, 2 Br minus plus 2 electrons plus 2 H plus H2SO4 produces Br2, 2 electrons, SO2 and 2 H2O. We can then cancel through, we can cancel out those, and that's what we've got left. And then all we need to do is just go through and write down the state symbols. And then liquid. And that's it. That's the overall equation, and you would write that onto your worksheet in this column here. It's the combined equation using the half equations that you've got at the top.